Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox from draining your battery. First, let's tackle some immediate actions. Make sure to close any background applications running on your device. This frees up valuable system resources. Next, dive into Roblox's settings and lower the in-game graphics. Reducing visual fidelity significantly lessens the workload on your device's processor and graphics chip. Finally, enable your device's battery saver mode, which automatically optimizes settings to conserve power during your gaming sessions. Optimizing your device's general settings can make a big difference. A major power consumer is your screen, so try decreasing its brightness to a comfortable lower level. Also, consider disabling notifications and vibrations from other apps. Constant alerts wake your device and consume energy. Furthermore, if you're not actively using them, turn off location services and Bluetooth. These features constantly search for connections, which can silently drain your battery over time, even when Roblox isn't running. Now, let's focus on specific adjustments within Roblox itself. If the option is available in your game settings, try reducing the frame rate limit. A lower frame rate means your device works less hard to render each frame. Additionally, opt for playing on smaller, less graphically demanding experiences rather than large, complex worlds. These simpler games require fewer resources. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly clear the Roblox application cache. This can prevent performance issues and reduce unnecessary processing. For long-term battery health and optimal performance, consider these advanced tips. Always keep your device's operating system and the Roblox application updated to their latest versions. Updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. If you play for extended periods, using an external cooling pad can prevent your device from overheating, which significantly reduces battery efficiency. Finally, regularly check your device's battery usage statistics to pinpoint any other power-hungry applications that might be contributing to the drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.